Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to filter installed programs in Bulk Crap Uninstaller. If you have a long list of installed applications, filtering makes it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Let's get started. First, open Bulk Crap Uninstaller on your computer. On the left side of the window, you'll see the filtering panel. To search for a specific application, click the search box and type the program's name. As you type, the list is filtered automatically to show only matching applications. Next, you can use the available filtering options. Enable Hide Published by Microsoft if you want to hide Microsoft applications and focus on third-party software. You can also enable or disable options like Show Unregistered Applications, Show System Components, Show Protected Items, Show Tweaks, and Show Windows Store Apps to customize which applications appear in the list. If needed, you can change the comparison method and target property to filter applications in different ways. After adjusting the filters, the program list updates instantly, making it easier to find and manage the applications you need. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows and software guides.